Good day everyone, I'm Christian. Today I want you to share my personal reflection about the evolution of the GPU, its role in intelligent driving vehicles, and the question of whether our tech future is real progress or just a hype. These ideas came from the three videos I watched, and I want to talk about how I personally see their impact, especially um, as of the future, as one of the future and aspiring engineer who will be a part of designing and leading the technologies of tomorrow. Then for me, the first the first one is how GPU started and evolved. When I watched the first video about the GPUs, I realized something very interesting. GPUs originally started simply as graphic processors. Basically, they were built to make games look better, to render 3D environments, and to handle animation smoothly. But over time, engineers discovered that GPUs were able of so much um, so much more, unlike CPUs which focus on one major task at a time. GPUs can perform thousands of smaller tasks simultaneously, and that parallel processing ability completely changed their purpose. So because of this shift, GPUs went from being just a graphic cards to becoming one of the most powerful tools in computing, and they're now used for scientific research, whether simulations, medical imaging, and as engineering, and most importantly in artificial intelligence. In fact, without GPUs, the AI boom we're experiencing right now probably wouldn't even exist. And for the second one, GPUs in intelligent driving vehicles, the second video about that I watched about intelligent driving vehicles showed me how GPUs are literally the brain of autonomous cars. Self-driving system need to process huge amounts of information in real time, camera footage, radar sensors detecting pedestrian, other car lanes, sign of traffics, and etc. And all of that has to be analyzed extremely fast with most zero delay. From GPUs make the possible because they can handle multiple stream of data at the same time. So what amazed me about that is how much safety is involved. Autonomous vehicles rely heavily on the precision and the speed of GPU computations. A delay of just a few milliseconds can mean the difference between safety and danger. And three is yung the future or hype. The third video as a big question on me, is all of this really the future or it is just a hype? For me, after watching everything, I think it's definitely real because it challenged us. It also has challenges. So yes, people are excited, and people are excited about the AI, autonomous driving, the metaverse, the digital twin technology, and sometimes the hype can get exaggerated. But the progress we see today is built on real virtues and etc. GPUs have proven their importance again and again. However, I also believe that we need to be aware of limitation. Like AI and GPU consume a lot of energy, and training advanced model requires huge amount of hardware, Not everyone has access to these technologies. Then there are ethical problems concerned like privacy, surveillance, and deepfakes. So yes, the future is real, but we need to approach it carefully and responsibly. So another one is the GPU in digital twins and in the metaverse. Another big realization I got from there I had is GPUs are connected to digital twins and the metaverse. Digital twins are virtual versions of real world object or system like buildings, factories, machines, or even what you call this, even enter cities. Engineer can test different scenarios, spot problems, and designs better solution without risking anything in the real world. So for me, this is only possible because GPUs can stimulate physical lighting or movement and complex 3D environment. um, I know that the metaverse also depend heavily on the GPUs. Virtual reality, immersive 3D worlds, real-time rendering, all of this required a huge computational power in the future. We might design buildings, study engineering, or collaborate with the people in the virtual space, um, wherever everything feels real. So once again, GPUs are the foundation that makes this advanced experience um, possible. So my personal reflection about as a future engineer and continuing engineering, as a aspiring or future engineer, all of these things inspire me. They show me that technology is also evolving, and something that starts with what you call this we starts with simple purposes, um, can grow to become one of the most influential tools in the world. So but at the same time, these developments remind me that the technology or our technology isn't neutral. It depends on how we use it. We next generation of engineers have the responsibility to make sure AI and advanced technologies and computing are used ethically and for the benefit of society. Um, for me, I can stop thinking that imagine a future where our cities become smarter because of the digital twins. Our transportation becomes safer and intelligent driving system. And sometimes I think about virtual world help us learn, work, and collaborate. And especially in the age of the kids now, AI helps solve real problems, not create new ones. So I believe GPU will continue to become engine that powers all this innovation. um so for me, the question, it is for future or hype, has a simple answer for me. The future is real, but we must be thoughtful, responsible, and innovative to make the future meaningful to us. So that's all. Thank you for listening to my reflection, the evolution of GPUs and their role in AI and sa modern technologies ay has a huge impact on our future. As a future engineer and leaders, it's up to us to understand these technologies mm, and guide them in the right direction So I'm excited, and at the same time I'm thinking that what lies ahead, and I hope we take these opportunities to build a better world for us, even we are student or even we're working. So we take these opportunities to build a better world. Thank you.